The last phase of polling in Jharkhand will take place on the 20th in areas that are considered the stronghold of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. In the past 1 year, though, districts like Godda, where elections are due, have been in the news for trafficking incidents where desperate parents are forced to send their children to far-flung places in the hope of a better life. Alok Pandey travelled to one such area to find that nothing seems to have changed for those living in these areas, that even electoral promises seem to be just recycled from the past with no new hope.
In May this year, the alleged trafficking of 120 children from Jharkhand's Godda district to orphanages in Kerala had made headlines. Their subsequent rescue and return to villages here in Godda had led to promises by the government of a better life for these children, including a better education. But at the Logai village in Godda's Mahagama block, the spotlight's been absent for a while now, and villagers say the absence from headlines means no word from the government on when promises made 6 months ago will be kept. When 120-odd children like these were rescued from Kerala's orphanages, sent there by poverty-stricken families and taken by middlemen without proper paperwork, they were just part of a long list of children being sent out by locals here for years. Orphanages in Kerala offer a better standard of living and better education. Middlemen approach poor families like these in Jharkhand. When they deliver children to the orphanage, they get their cut. Haliman Bibi says 5 of her grandchildren, 4 girls and 1 boy, went to Kerala this year. They were all rescued and brought back to the village. The Jharkhand government promised new schools, new homes and even old age pension for parents or family members. But villagers allege in most cases this has remained just on paper. District officials said they were busy with elections and hence unable to respond to specific queries. But they pointed out everything is being done to rehabilitate the children and their families. The political response to issues like trafficking has been shoddy at best. On the day we visited Logai, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi held this rally just kilometers away. The Congress candidate here, for instance, is also the sitting MLA, but cagey at best about what he has done or will do to stop children from going out of here.
उन बच्चों का पुनर्वास की बात नहीं, उन बच्चों को यहाँ पर जो हमारा प्राथमिक विद्यालय है, मध्य विद्यालय है या सरकारी मदरसा है, उसमें हमारे स्थानीय प्रशासन ने, हम लोगों ने सहयोग करके उन बच्चों को उस विद्यालय और मदरसा में नामांकन करा करके तालीम दिलाने का जरूर कार्य किया है.
The Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has been in power in Jharkhand in the last year, but its answers equally dodgy.
गांव के शिक्षा को आगे ले जाने के लिए उच्च शिक्षा का यहाँ कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं है.
आप ही की सरकार रही है लेकिन कई दिन.
जी, मेरी सरकार रही है, लेकिन राज्य के 14 वर्ष अलग होने के बाद लगभग 10 साल तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ही झारखंड में राज किया है.
Jharkhand has reported some of the highest trafficking numbers over the last few years. The state also has some of the lowest human development indicators, with most people living in dire poverty. The response of successive governments and politicians to issues like trafficking has been grossly inadequate at best. In Jharkhand's Godda district, with Santosh Bhagat and camera person Manoj Kumar, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.